This weekend on
Jay and Joey. Hey everyone, I'm Jay.
I'm Joey.
And together we are Jay and Joey.
Snow, but I'll manage.
Okay, so we made it to the beautiful Hampton Inn.
Yeah, not bad, not bad. It looks very nice. I like it.
We'll give just a quick
Selfie, Mira.
We're gonna show you guys quickly because there's so much more to show than just the room for this video. But we just want to show you quickly. Not bad for Hampton. Look.
Not bad. No, there's one thing I want to point out that I don't like. What doesn't go along with this room?
One of these things is not like the other.
What is this? It's a nice, a yellow lamp. What is that? Foolish. They're foolish.
A lot of construction going on.
The view is not terrible, but I like to see some of the sky lines. Not bad.
See, it's not bad at all.
Not bad at all. Not bad at all.
Cute.
Isn't this nice?
Yes.
No turn on red, turn on red. Oh, what an asshole. But Boston has a nice little thing to it. It does.
It does. So excited.
It does.
Joe, what do you think of the parking situation in Boston?
I'm not paying $45 for fucking parking.
He ain't paying for it.
That's ridiculous. People can park on the street for free.
He thinks he's in like fucking I don't know, South Dakota where it's gonna be $2. I said, Joey, it's gonna be about $50,000 to park in the city.
I rent it permit only. Fuck, $44. That's like a whole meal. Better than mine.
It's kind of quiet, don't you think?
It's quiet, but when it comes to parking, they're fucking nuts. That's parking. Charge out rich person parking.
We're in the city, Joe. Oh man. Hello, people.
Ridiculous.
Smile, you're on candid camera.
I will park on the street. I don't give a shit where I park. I will find a street parking.
We'll get there eventually. Oh look, another Hilton.
Oh, what the fuck? Pay the road.
Oh, look where we're going again. Starbucks. Starbucks. Alright, Joe, so you just went to your first Boston Starbucks.
They suck.
I mean, not Joe. What's your name?
Apparently my name is Read the Cup. Gerard.
Gerard. So we were standing there.
I was in there for like 20 minutes now. I'm like, well, what's going on? I asked the woman, what's going on? She's like, what do you want, chai? And I said, Gerard. I'm like, I'm not Gerard. Do I look like a fucking Gerard to you? Ah, look. You want to go up the elevator? There you go. At least it killed 20 minutes.
Yeah, we're standing there waiting like assholes, and the drink's already out there.
So everyone that knows sacks, you know you're not getting cheap there. But
let's do the unboxing.
Splurge. I got a splurge, and you guys are wait. I bought Gucci.
Oh gosh, Joe, what you get?
I got.
And he's been wanting these for a while. Let's see the unboxing.
Comes with the little
Gucci
bag. Gucci. Comes with the little how to care for it and everything like that. Like, what is it for? Like authenticity or something?
Certificate of authenticity, so you know they're real.
These are real Gucci. Yeah. And I got. Do I have to press it? My Gucci slides. Ah! And you can smell the bubble. They're real. They're fucking real, baby. They're real, baby. Another one. See?
Very nice.
So we're going. So, today we're doing a tour in this bad boy.
So we're gonna be going up in a helicopter. Yep, that's
Helicopter.
right. We're gonna be bringing you guys up in a helicopter to
See the whole city of Boston.
So get ready. Joey has never been on a helicopter
So
before.
God help me, I'm gonna have a heart attack.
I've been on 2 of them. Let me give you guys a little look.
This is gonna be fun.
Joey, you ready? You ready, hon?
I'm not there. Heights, no, but I'll manage.
Pre-flight jitters.
God help me.
You're in a helicopter, Joey?
My first time in one. I'm in a good mood. Alright.
To relax for a little bit. We had a long day. And then we're gonna go to the casino.
Might as well.
Because Joey has to win back that Gucci money.
Yeah, seriously.
And I gotta win back that helicopter money. So
what a trip. Yeah, that was, it was something. Boston is something.
I hope you guys had fun with us.
Yes.
I mean, we had an amazing time together.
Yes, I hope you guys all enjoyed. Yeah, and if you've been to Boston, comment below. Let us know what we missed or what we should do next time we come. Read all our comments, so.
Exactly, or other states we should visit. So please continue to support us, like, share, and comment
and
on our
page.
channel. Subscribing is also important, that helps us as well. And Joey with the Facebook page that he's running.
Yes.
He's doing a great job. You get all behind the scenes photos. Photos that we don't even include on our videos as well.
Videos,
bloopers,
extras, anything.
Yeah,
we just enjoy.
We put funny crap up there, so it's always good to follow that as well.
Yes.
So on that note, I'm Jay.
I'm Joey.
And together we are Jay and Joey.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye.